Hi girls, so cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing an ice cream sundae. So let's get started. To draw this yummy bowl of ice cream, let's first start by drawing the bowl. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to go across with a soft curve. Nice and wide, so maybe about like this much for the top of my bowl. And then I'm going to come right here and round this off to give my bowl a little lip. Same thing on this side, and then once again go ahead and draw that curve just like the top and connect. And so now that you have that, let's go ahead and draw the bowl. So we're going to come right in here and just curve in. Just going to draw a very simple bowl. So let's go around, maybe about that tall, and connect at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that I have a basic bowl in, let's give the bowl a little bottom part right here. So I'm going to come, let's say about right here. Give myself 2 points, about here, just trying to center it. And I'm going to come down with this little line, and then I'm going to curve it out. Same thing here, curve it out. And connect with another curve. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the fun part about adding some ice cream in here. So I'll just start in the center, the one that's at the foreground, and right in the center, I'm just going to go ahead about right here. I'm just going to draw one big curve for our first scoop of ice cream. This is just meant to inspire you, of course. You can draw as many scoops as you want. So one big one, then I'm going to add another one right here. And of course you can put whatever you want on your sundae. And another one here. Tuck it right in, just like the other side. And then I'm going to add another one at the top. So let's say about right here, but I'm just going to stop about right here. If you're using a pencil, just go ahead and finish the curve. I'm going to stop about right there and just curve down so that I can put in some cream and then curve in again. So with this curve right here, I'm going to come up, just dollop right into the center. 2 and 3. There's some whipped cream maybe. There. And then of course let's add a bunch of stuff. So maybe some cookie sticks. I'm going to stick in about right, say about here. Just round off the top. And maybe another one a little bit taller just to change it up. And some stripes. There, and then maybe on this side, let's see, we can add maybe like a, I don't know, like a heart wafer cookie. So we're just going to come right in here and draw a heart, part of a heart, and tuck it in. There. And you know what, I feel like I need to put a cherry, right? So if you want to do that, let's see here, let's add it on this side. I'm just going to go, and I'll erase later, but I'm just going to add a cherry right on top of here. Swabble a little bit, the bottom right here, and just put out a stem right there. And so then I'll go ahead and quickly erase this part so you can see it a little bit better. Might as well, since I have my whiteout out. And then let's come back in here and we can add in more details. So maybe some drizzle on top of each ice cream. And like I said, this is all up to you. Just meant to inspire you. Whatever you want to put. There, and then you can put in sprinkles. Of course, maybe some round ones on this one. And let's see, maybe some heart sprinkles on this one. There. Okay, so then last but not least, of course, we have to put some Draw So Cute eyes, right? So let's do that by coming about right here, and I'm going to add a big circle because we have to bring this ice cream to life. And I'm going to come across, say about this much, and draw another circle. There, so my 2 eyes in, so I'm going to come in here with 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and a shade in the top. And lines at the bottom and same thing over here. There. And so now that in, let's go ahead above each eye, just draw a soft curve. And of course, a big sweet smile right in between and cap it off. There. And that is pretty much it. Put a little edge right here for our cookie. So they're all done. I really hope you love this ice cream sundae and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.